Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Q5. The unmistakable Q5 sets a new standard for dynamic crossover performance, design, and luxury. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power mirrors, traction control, steel wheels, power sunroof, rear window wiper, navigation system, backup camera, leather upholstery, heated seats, keyless entry. Come take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.